Hi friends. A lot of you ask me about starting up, about entrepreneurship, about having your own business. A lot of you ask me what is the experience on having my own business. A lot of you want to know what is my experience of having my own business. So friends, today's video, I'm going to talk a little bit about entrepreneurship, having your own business, having my own consultancy. I have had two startups in my life. At various points in my life, I had an IT startup where we introduced barcoding in India, and the other startup was related to international sales and exports of textiles. So I've got varied startup experience, which I'll be happy to share with you. Now, as a coach and a facilitator, I run my own training consultancy. So let's talk a little bit about entrepreneurship today and business. A lot of queries which are directed to me are about finding business ideas, where to get business ideas from. I feel always, friends, that's a tricky one to answer, but there are some patterns that I have seen over the years studying a lot of entrepreneurs, interviewing them, training a lot of people who have gone on to become entrepreneurs. Some of those patterns I will share with you. In fact, 3 things that you can do to generate really powerful startup ideas. Number 1, follow your passion and upgrade yourself. Number 2, follow industry trends. Know what is happening around you. And number 3, very importantly, friends, solve a problem that needs solving for a large population. Now let me tell you a little bit about each one of these in more detail. Number 1, follow your passion and upgrade yourself. Friends, a lot of us are passionate about starting up. We think about it, we talk about it, we get together with a bunch of friends, we speak about starting up, we have dreams of how life will look like when we have a business. Fantastic. You must have heard of Ikigai or Ikigai as it is commonly pronounced. But Ikigai is what? What you're good at, what the world needs, and what you are passionate about, and what people are willing to pay for. The intersection of these 4 things, friends, is your Ikigai. And when you find it, you will have found your passion and whether people are willing to pay for your passion or not. So friends, passion is important, but as important is, do other people share your passion as well? Are they interested actually in your business idea? So it's not just enough to be passionate. You need to be good at what you do. The world needs to be able to want what you do. They want to be able to pay you for what you do. And you can only do it if you upgrade yourself. And what does it mean, upgrading yourself, friends? Upskilling yourself. Certifications, education, knowledge, experience, exposure. Many times it comes with a job. It comes from being employed. It actually comes from working with an organization that has got processes, systems that you can follow. And when you follow those processes and systems, you can use many of those systems and processes when that time comes, whenever you start your own business. But till that time, friends, it's all very important, whether you are in a job or whether you are an entrepreneur, to generate good, successful business ideas. It is important to have that exposure and experience, for which you will constantly need to be evolving. Even at this stage and age of my life, friends, when I have been in the industry for more than 25 years, I'm still taking coaching accreditations and certifications. I still take courses. I still attend other people's programs to know what is going on. Which brings me to the next point, friends, is to follow industry trends. I educate myself, I upgrade myself, not for any other reason, but I should also know what is happening in the industry around you. When you are busy focusing on something, whether it is a job or entrepreneurship, the world around you is revolving and rotating and changing. And we must revolve and rotate and change with the world around us, friends. There is no excuse for being updated. What are the industry trends? What are the macro trends? What is in these days? What is fashionable? What is in vogue? Not now. What will be in fashion or in demand or in vogue 5 years later? People right now who took an interest and a position on artificial intelligence, on generative AI, have not done it today. They are the ones who have been following generative AI, machine learning, artificial intelligence 10 years earlier. And today they have reached a stage where they can command the price that they want, whether it's in a job market or whether it is as an entrepreneur. So friends, following industry trends is very important. An example is recently the Ambanis had a pre-wedding function at Jamnagar. Their whole family was there. The rich and famous of the world were invited. Now when I look at that wedding and I follow that wedding, I look at what are the trends which are happening around us. Destination weddings and destination functions have always been there. It had become fashionable to go abroad, to Thailand, to Dubai, to internationally, to have destination weddings, to Italy, as we have seen many celebrity weddings. But a push has come from top leadership saying why don't we have destination weddings in India? When you have destination weddings in India, now there's a lot of opportunity that has opened around you. Behind every destination wedding or a function like the Ambanis had, it was not even a wedding, it was a pre-wedding function. Behind that are thousands and thousands of people who are working behind the scenes. Every one of those persons is probably either self-employed or they are working for a person who's self-employed. It could be something as simple as a person who's a fleet operator or a person who's organizing transport from place A to place B, somebody who's been deputed for security, pick up somebody's bag, making sure that there is crowd control, catering, whatever it is. Follow the trends, friends, and you will find business ideas emerging. Which leads me to my third point, is by asking myself, what is a problem that this person is solving? When I look at successful businesses around me, and it's not just businesses which have got $1 million businesses or multi-crore businesses, no. I'm talking about a single self-employed entrepreneur who's probably got a fleet of 3 cars that he or she has been able to now assign to a corporate or Ambani or whoever at a wedding and is making money out of it. And I'm asking myself, what did this person do successfully? And the answer is, this person solved a problem. This person recognized a need of a person to get from point A to point B and now went in and fulfilled that need. A good business idea, friends, comes from solving a problem. A good business idea comes from knowing when there is a demand or a gap in the market and going in a laser focus after that demand and fulfilling that demand. So friends, 3 tips to generate good business ideas. Number 1, follow your passion, upgrade yourself. Number 2, follow international macro trends, know your environment. And number 3, solve a problem. Friends, by following these 3, there is no guarantee of entrepreneurship success, but one thing I can tell you, you will start thinking more creatively. You will start asking different questions. You will not just run after those tried and tested me-too business ideas that somebody else has already executed. You will start coming up with a unique idea that somebody with your perseverance and hard work and skills, somebody will take notice, provided you persevere. Good business ideas come from being more aware, self-aware entrepreneurs who have executed business ideas and formed businesses, successful businesses, are extremely sensitive to the changing environment. And they are able to change with the environment. Just because you have come up with a business idea now doesn't mean you have to follow that same business idea forever. Right? The pivoting is important in business, but you will learn to pivot or change your business model or react and respond to the changing environment only if you are clued into the business trends around you. So friends, you must be aware of what's happening around you. Solve a problem, talk to people, ask questions, be passionate, keep yourself upgraded, and I can guarantee you, you will come up with that one winning business idea that is going to be yours and something to be proud of. How did you like this video, friends? Like, subscribe and share on the links given below. Follow me for more such videos. I will keep sharing my experience with you and look forward to hearing your comments. See you soon. Take care.